Hi everyone, this is Matthew Allo. In this video, I will take you through a project that will make you more proficient in Microsoft Word. This video will also help you pass Microsoft Word 365 and 2019 exams. So let's go through this project one after the other. Project 1, Task 1. On the second page, in the last sentence of the third paragraph, hyperlink the word wood to the bookmark wood. On the second page, in the last sentence of the third paragraph, hyperlink the word wood to the bookmark wood. So to do this, you go to the second page. Okay, here's the second page. So page 2 of 2. In the last sentence of the third paragraph, so on this second page, you have paragraph 1, 2, and 3. The last sentence of paragraph 3, third paragraph, then you locate the word wood. There it is. So you click on the insert tab, and in the links group, here is link to open the insert hyperlink dialog box or insert link dialog box. And to use the shortcut on the keyboard, you can just press Ctrl K. So this will still open this insert link dialog box. So select place in this document, and the bookmark wood is here, and you click OK. That is done. So task 2. On the second page, convert the table to text. Separate the data by tabs. On the second page, convert the table to text. Separate the data by tabs. So to do this, you locate the second page, and the table on the second page is right here. So you select the table, and on the layout contextual tab, you locate the data group, then convert to text. Then separate by tab. I click OK. Okay, this is done. Then task 3. Insert a continuous section break at the bottom of the page of the first page. Insert continuous section break at the bottom of the first page. So to do this, you go to the first page. Okay, that's the first page, then the bottom of the page, select. Then to insert a continuous section break, you go to the layout tab. In the page setup group, you see breaks, then continuous section break. Under the section break, select continuous. So that is done. Then task 4. In the list located on the first page, replace the bullets of the text wood 97 AD with the graphic guitar.png located in the geometrics folder, geometric templates folder. So in the list located on the first page, replace the bullets for the text wood 97 AD with the graphic guitar.png located in the geometrics templates folder. So to do this, you go to the first page and locate the bullets down to from wood down to 97 AD. Then to replace the bullets, go to the home tab, Then the paragraph group, here is the bullet. Then you define new bullets. Then picture bullets. Then from file, here is the guitar.png. Okay, you click on insert and click OK. So that is inserted. That's inserted. Okay, task 5. Apply the simple frame black style to the solid body electric guitar graphic on the first page. Apply the simple frame black style to the solid body electric guitar graphic on the first page. So to do this, you locate the first page, go to the first page and locate the guitar graphic. Then to apply the simple frame black style, click on the picture format and picture styles. You locate the simple frame. Okay, simple frame black. Simple frame black. Select it. Okay. Red project. Correct. 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 Go to the next project. Project 2, task 1. Place the last paragraph that starts with notes. All 50 US states into the text box at the bottom of the page. Place the last paragraph that starts with notes. All 50 US states into the text box at the bottom of the page. So to do this, you go to the last paragraph. So this is the note. Select it and you go to the home tab in the clipboard group. You click on cuts, cut the text and place it in the text box by pasting. So on the home tab in the clipboard group, click on paste. So this is pasted. That is done. Then task 2. Modify the whole document so the top and bottom margins are 1.0 inch, then 2.54 centimeter, and the left and right margins are 1.2 inch, then 3.048 centimeter. Modify the whole document so the top and bottom margins are 1.0 inch, then 2.54 centimeter, and the left and the left and right margins are 1.2 inch, then 3.048 centimeter. So to do this, you go to the layout tab, then in the page setup group you have margins, then you select custom margin. So the top and bottom margins are 1.0. So this is 1, exactly 1. The left and right margin, left and right margins are 1.2. So here you just put 1.2, 1.2. Then here as well you make it 1.2. Okay, that's done. Click OK. So the margins are set. So task 3. Apply the basic elegant style set to the document. Apply the basic elegant style set to the document. So to do this, you go to the design tab, then the document formatting group. You look for basic elegance, basic elegant style, basic elegant style. Let's go through it one up to the other. Basic elegant style. Okay, it's right here. Basic elegant style. Okay, that is done. And task 4. Apply a box border around the entire document that is a solid line, 1.5 points wide, automatic color, then accept all other defaults. Apply a box border around the entire document that is a solid line, 1.5 points wide, automatic color, then accept all other defaults. So to do this, on the design tab, then in the page background group, select page border, then box border, you select box here, then 1.5 points wide, so width is 1.5 points, leave it as 1.5 points, then automatic color, so the color here is automatic, accept all other defaults. So having done the required thing, to click OK. Okay, that is done. Then task 5. Insert smartphone.jpg photo located in the geometrics templates folder between the heading and the first paragraph. Insert the smartphone.jpg photo located in the geometrics folder, geometric template folders, the geometric templates folder between the heading and the first paragraph. So to do this, you go to the place between the heading and the first paragraph. So right here you click, then you insert this smartphone.jpg photo. So to do this, you go to the insert tab, then in the illustrations group, click on picture, then select this device, and here you have smartphone, geometrics folder, smartphone, then you click insert. Okay, that is done. Okay, click create project. Okay, correct. So all are correct. So next. Project 3, task 1. On the first page, sort the table alphabetically by specialty cakes from A to Z. On the first page, sort the table alphabetically by specialty cakes from A to Z. So to do this, you scroll down to the table, then to select the table, click on the table selector. Okay, so to sort the table, on the home tab in the paragraph group, you select sort. Okay, so in this sort dialog box, sort by, you select specialty cakes, then type, you select text, then this is ascending. So from A to Z is ascending, so leave it as ascending. So click OK. By the time you click OK, just look at what the arrangement will B. So click OK. So that is it. So the first word now is apple. Okay, so now look at the last word. So the table is sorted. Whole vanilla bean chunk. Now task 1. You can select the table. Task 1, mark completed. Now task 2. On the second page, below the heading cake lines, convert the text Campbell's Catering down to candles and cakes to a list with default bullets. On the second page, below the heading cake lines, convert the text Campbell's Catering down to candles and cakes to a list with default bullets. Okay, so to do this, you go to the second page, then below the heading cake lines, you select Campbell's, from Campbell's to candles and cakes. Okay, so to convert the text to a list with default bullets, so go to the home tab. In the paragraph group, just select the bullets icon. So that is done. Now task 2, mark completed. Now task 3. On the first page, immediately before the quote, we love the unique Medford, Oregon, insert an Austin quote text box. Move the quote into the text box. On the first page, immediately before the quote, we love the unique Medford, Oregon, insert an Austin quote text box. Move the quote into the text box. On the first page, immediately before the quote, we love the unique, down to Medford, Oregon, insert an Austin quote text box. Move the quote into the text box. So on the first page, so you go to the first page, immediately before the quote. So before the quote, you select, just click before the quote, insert an Austin quote text box. So to insert the text box, go to the insert tab in the text group, go to, just click on text box icon and go to Austin quote text box. So click on Austin quote. Okay, so select the text. We love the unique flavor, down to Oregon, gently, then cut it and click inside the text box, then go to the home tab in the clipboard group, click on paste. Okay, that is done. So task 3, mark completed. Now task 4, apply the paintbrush artistic effect to the bakery graphic. Apply the paintbrush artistic effect to the bakery graphic. Apply the paintbrush artistic effect to the bakery graphic. So now to apply the paintbrush artistic effect to the graphic, that's the bakery graphic. Go to the bakery graphic and select it. Then on the ribbon, it selects picture format contextual tab. Then in the adjust group, you click on, you select artistic effects, then the paint brush. Okay, so here's the paintbrush artistic effect. So click on the paintbrush artistic effects. Okay, task 4, mark completed. Now task 5. On the last page, insert into the text box the cupcake icon located in the food and drinks category. On the last page, insert into the text box the cupcake icon located in the food and drink category. So to do this, on the last page, just scroll down to the last page. Then in the text box, just click inside the text box and click on the insert tab, and in the illustrations group, click on icons. Okay, click on icons command. Now just wait for it to finish loading. Okay, so in the food and drink category, so icon is already selected. Food and drink category, just scroll to the food and drink gently. Okay, so food and drinks, select it. Then here you type, just delete this gently and type cup cake, cupcake. You can press enter on the keyboard. Okay, so you have two here. Just select the first one and click on insert. Okay, okay, that is done. So task 5, mark completed. Now grade project. Correct. Project 4, task 1. Search for the term Tabernacle Choir and apply the italics format. Search for the term Tabernacle Choir and apply the italics format. So to do this, click on the Home tab in the editing group. Click on the find command, and here you type Tabernacle Choir. Okay, so you select it, and on the Home tab in the font group, click on italic as on the Home tab in the font group. So it has been done. Then task 2, immediately below the heading table of contents, insert a custom table of contents displayed in the formal format that displays only the following styles. Available styles, table of content level, then caption for heading 1, heading 1 for 1, heading 2, 2, heading 3, 3. Okay, that's all. Immediately below the heading table of content, insert the custom table of content displayed in the formal format that displays only the following styles. Available styles, table of content level, TOC level, caption for heading 1, 1, heading 2, 2, then heading 3, 3. So do this immediately below the heading table of contents. So you scroll to the heading table of contents. Okay, so below it, click below the table of contents heading and insert a custom table of content displayed in formal formats. So table of content is located on the references tab. In the table of content group, you have table of content, then custom table of content, select it, then the formal format, then click option, so that displays the following styles. So caption 4, type 4, heading 1, 1. So cover style is not mentioned. So delete that. Then heading 1, 1, You scroll to heading 1, heading 1, heading 2, 2, heading 3, 3. Okay, that is done. And click OK. Click OK here as well. Okay, that is done. And task 3. On the bottom of the last page, create a table from text, golf course, Rose Park 1959, 18 years cafe. Create the table with 5 columns with an automatic fixed table width separated by tabs. Apply the grid table 5 dark accent 1 table style. On the bottom of the last page, create a table from the text golf course Rose Park 1959 18 years cafe. Create the table with 5 columns with an automatic fixed table width separated by tabs. Apply the grid table 5 dark accent 1 table style. So to do this, on the bottom of the last page, scroll down to the bottom of the last page. Create a table from text starting with golf course down to cafe. So create the table with 5 columns. So on the insert tab in the table row, so convert text to table, then separated by tabs. We click tabs and click OK. Then apply grid table 5 dark accent 1 table style. Table style is right here. Grid table 5. Grid table 5. Grid table 5 accent 1. Grid table 5 dark accent 1 table style. Okay, that is it. And task 4. On the sidebar on page 1. Change the bullets of the last list to a solid square to match the other list. In the sidebar on page 1, change the bullets of the last list to a solid square to match the other list. So on page 1, sidebar on page 1, okay. The last list right here. Okay. Then change the bullet to solid square. So on the home tab in the paragraph group, have bullet, then solid square. Solid square, select solid square to mark the other list. Okay. Okay, that has been done to mark the other list. Then task 5. Resolve the comment on page 3. Resolve the comment on page 3. So go to page 3. Okay. There is the comment and resolve. Okay, that is done. And create project. Correct. Project 5, task 1. On the second page, add the text attach shoes to the third shape of the smart art graphic. On the second page, add the text attach shoes to the third shape of the smart art graphic. So to do this, you go to the second page, So the third shape of the smarter graphic, select the third shape and add a text. Attach shoes. Okay, that is done. And task 2. Format the document into two columns, beginning with the heading step 1 until of the end of the fourth step. Cutting of the nails accept all defaults. Format the document into two columns, beginning with the heading step 1 until of the end of the fourth step. Cutting of the nails accepts all defaults. So to do this, you go to the document and locate step 1. Starting with step 1, then adding step 1 to step 4. Step 4, select that and click on the layout tab. In the page setup group, you have columns. So into two columns, you select 2. Okay, that is done. Then task 3. Change the end note number format to these symbols and start at the second symbol. In the first paragraph, locate the color term hoof boots and insert an endnote at the end of the term that reads this, the address given here. So endnote number format. So to do this, you locate the color term hoof boots, hoof boots, hoof boots. Okay, the color term hoof boots. So you click after the color term hoof boots and insert an endnote at the end of the term that reads this. Now to do this, you go to the references group tab, references tab. So in the footnote group, you click on the footnote and endnote dialog box launcher. So this tiny arrow, we just open it. So footnote and endnote. So select endnote and select end of note, end of document. End of document, you come right here in the number format mentioned here. Select that, then start at this. Okay. Okay. That is done. No. Okay. That is it. And click insert. Click insert. Then here you type the endnote mark. You type. After the endnote mark, you type HTTPS colon n dot wikipedia dot org / wiki / oof underscore put. Okay. Should be / n. So just cross check to ensure you have the correct thing. Yeah. So okay. Nothing is missing. Nothing is missing. It's correct. Okay, that is done. Task 4. On the second page, format the graphic by applying the Smart Art Styles label sort. Second page, scroll to the second page. So this is the diagram, select it, entire diagram, and select Smart Art Design, and sort to effect, that's it. Select, and task 5. On the second page, add a fourth shape to the diagram located at the end of the document and insert the text finish edges into the shape. On the second page, add a fourth shape to the diagram located at the end of the document and insert the text finish edges into the shape. Okay. Fourth shape. So select the last shape and in the Smart Art Design shape after. So that's the fourth shape, and insert the text. You type finish edges. Okay, that is done. And great project. Correct. Project 6, Task 1. Change the table size to autofill to its contents. Change the table size to autofill to its contents. To do this, you click to select the table, click on the table, select it, and click on the layout and auto fit content. Okay, that is done. And task 2. Use the document inspector to remove all of the headers, footers, and watermarks from the flyer. Leave all other hidden properties. Use the document inspector to remove all of the headers, footers, and watermarks from the flyer. Leave all other hidden properties. So to do this, select the home tab and info and come to check issues and click on inspect. Click yes when prompted, and here you click inspect. So after that is done, so remove all of the headers. So remove all headers, footers, and watermark. Remove all. Okay. Then close. That is done. And task 3. Reply to the comment by typing yes. Reply to the comment by typing yes. So here you go to the comments and click reply and type yes. Okay, it's done. And task 4. On the first page, apply heading 1 style to the heading fishing all year. On the first page, apply heading 1 style to the heading fishing all year. So to do this, go to first page, fishing all year. Then heading 1 is on the home tab in the styles group. So I drop down and add the 1, select heading 1, it's done. And task 5. Display the paragraph marks on the document. Display the paragraph marks on the document. So paragraph mark is right here. Show paragraph mark and other hidden formatting symbol. So select this. It's done. And grade project. Correct. Correct. Project 7, task 1. Change the status property of the document to draft. Change the status property of the document to draft. So to do this, you click on the File tab and select Info. Then under Properties, you scroll down to Show All Properties and Status Type Draft. Okay, that's done. Return to the document. And task 2. Place the trademark symbol after the first word in the title iOctane. Place the trademark symbol after the first word in the title iOctane. So to do this, select after the first word iOctane, then select the insert term in the symbols group, select symbol, the trademark symbol is right here. Okay, that is done. And task 2, that's 3. Apply the text effect small caps to the 4 paragraph headings: critical, planting dates, harvesting for feed, and grazing tips. Apply the text effect small caps to the 4 paragraph headings: critical, planting dates, harvesting for feed, and grazing tips. So to do this, select the first heading, critical, then press down the Ctrl key to select the other headings, and second one, planting dates, then harvesting for feed, and select grazing tips. So you're still holding down the Ctrl key and go to the home tab in the paragraph group, in the font group rather. So there is the font dialog box launcher, and you select small caps here, then click OK. Select the text. Has been done. Small caps will be applied to the 4 headings. So now task 4. Enable change tracking on this document and lock it with the password critical. Enable change tracking on this document and lock it with the password critical. So to do this, click on the Review tab in the tracking group. You have track changes, select it and lock tracking. And here you type critical, and re-enter it here, critical. Click OK. Okay, that is done. And task 5. At the bottom of the page, select the last phrase ending in unless. Add the comment, should we explain ons? At the bottom of the page, select the last phrase ending in unless. Add a comment. Should we explain ons? So to do this, go to the bottom of the page, last statement, right, and select, then to add a comment, click review and new comment, and type should we explain ons. Okay, that is done. Then create project. Correct. Correct. I believe you have learned a lot from the video. So to keep getting this kind of video, ensure you click on the subscribe button and drop your comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.